Are you considering refinancing your mortgage or purchasing a new home? Look no further than Jcrmg NC Real Estate Mortgage. Our expert team is here to guide you through the process, ensuring you get the best possible loan program. Meet Joe Frank-Saros, a dedicated loan officer with Jcrmg Inc. With over 25 years of experience in the mortgage industry, Joe is committed to helping you achieve your home ownership dreams. He provides personalized service tailored to your unique financial situation. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refinance, Joe Frank-Saros can assist you every step of the way. He understands the complexities of the loan mortgage process and works diligently to simplify it for you. At Jcrmg Inc., we offer a variety of loan options to suit your needs. From conventional loans to FHA and VA loans, we have the right solution for you. Our goal is to make home financing accessible and straightforward. Considering a home equity line of credit, HELOC? Jcrmg Inc. can help you tap into your home's equity. A HELOC provides flexibility and access to funds for home improvements, debt consolidation, or other financial goals. Our team at Jcrmg NC is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. We prioritize clear communication and transparency, ensuring you understand every aspect of your mortgage or refinancing process. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Ready to take the next step? Contact Joe Frank-Saros at 1-888-600-7577. He is eager to answer your questions and help you find the best mortgage solution. Don't wait any longer to achieve your home ownership goals. Thank you for considering Jcrmg NC Real Estate Mortgage for your home financing needs. We look forward to working with you and making your home ownership dreams a reality. Call us today and let's get started on your journey.